You don't know who you met.
Okay, well, who did I meet? The second?
Yep.
Alright, well, I'm Deputy Wilkinson. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
On the 16th of April 2026, a Florida deputy stopped a vehicle for 2 independent traffic violations, 57 miles per hour in a 50-mile-per-hour zone, and leaving the roadway when exiting a gas station. This encounter raises 4 legally significant questions. First, the exit order. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms 1977, a lawfully stopped driver may be ordered out of the vehicle without any additional justification beyond the stop itself. This right is categorical. The officer does not need to explain it, and the driver does not have the legal option to refuse it. Second, what happens when the exit order is not followed? Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, obstruction or resistance to an officer performing a lawful duty without offering violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. When the subject exited his vehicle but did not proceed to the designated position at the front of the patrol car, he failed to comply with the complete Mimms order. That non-compliance, combined with the physical confrontation that followed, satisfied the elements of resisting without violence. The arrest flowed directly from that failure to comply.
Saying 57 and a 50. Charlie 111 Flyer County.
Charlie 111.
Pulling on to Malacompa from North Ocean Shore Boulevard, port tag Charlie Victor 4 to Charlie Victor, CB4 to CB. Hey, how you doing?
Well, windows don't roll down.
Okay.
Here you go.
I stopped you for doing 57 and a 50 back there, and you also...
Excuse me?
Yeah. 57 and a 50.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then you also left the roadway when you pulled out of the gas station there. You actually went onto the grass coming on North Ocean Shore.
Oh, okay.
Did
Do you have it on video, or...?
The 57 I do. I don't know about coming out there because I was coming up to catch up to you.
Oh. From where?
From the gas station.
Oh.
Do you have your registration proof insurance?
Can I go in the glove box?
Yeah, go ahead.
Primary.
Charlie 115.
Charlie 111.
1069 code 1 reference possible signal 1. Is this the title or the registration?
Am I allowed to dig?
Well, yeah, I'm waiting for you to get the registration and insurance.
I'm surprised you haven't ran my name.
Well, I've been standing next to you the whole time.
Oh. Did I run?
No, but I'm waiting for you to get the registration and insurance. Is that
It's right
it?
there.
Can I read it? It's upside down.
No, you got a camera on your fucking ass.
Well, the camera's on my chest. I don't know how I'd be videoing you if it was on my ass.
Okay, fucking play.
I really don't understand what the issue is right now.
The issue is, you don't know who you met.
Okay, well, who do I meet? The second?
Yep.
Alright, well, I'm Deputy Wilkinson. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay,
Oh, I
perfect.
gave you the right card.
Yeah, you did. Leave that there for a second. Just do me a favor while I run you. I'm going to have you hop out of the car, okay?
Can I put that in the glove box?
Yeah, go ahead. Put it in the glove box. And go to the front of my car, brother. Go to the front of my car. Thank you.
This is going in
Go
my
to
back
the front,
pocket.
Go to the front of my car.
This
Go to
is
the front.
going in my back pocket.
Go to the front.
Number, stand by.
Give me the channel. I have one resisting.
Split all units, stand 33 for Charlie, we're 11, Allers 1062 to LE3.
I did what you told.
Give me this hand. Put it behind your back. Dude, give me your hand, bro.
Dude, start that shit.
111, clear the channel. I have one whiskey Mike 1015. You're under arrest, buddy.
2059.
For what?
Just still have me 212. You can clear anyone else.
Might not want to do that.
Third, political connections and the law. The subject implied his identity would change the encounter, telling the officer, "You don't know who you've met," and later disclosing his father was a mayor. Under the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause, the law applies equally to all persons. Family connections to political office are legally irrelevant to a traffic stop, a Mimms exit order, or a DUI investigation. The officer's response, introducing himself by name and proceeding with his duties, was legally and professionally correct. Status claims carry no enforceable weight. Fourth, the DUI investigation. The officer documented 3 independent impairment indicators on camera before any arrest: odor of alcohol, glassy eyes, and slurred speech. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983. These observations, each independently relevant, collectively compelling, form a strong probable cause basis for a DUI investigation. The subject denied drinking, but denial does not negate officer observation. The SFST battery was deferred to the jail, an operationally appropriate decision following a physical roadside arrest. Under Pennsylvania v. Muniz, 1990. The SFSTs are non-testimonial and constitutional. The subject's statement, "You can search my vehicle all you want," constitutes voluntary consent to a vehicle search under Florida v. Jimeno, 1991. Voluntary, unambiguous, on-camera consent eliminates Fourth Amendment protection for the search that followed. Officers found nothing of evidentiary concern. The officer's refusal to allow the subject to lay prone, stating, "I don't need you getting any breathing," issues with me reflects current positional asphyxia training and is consistent with Graham v. Connor, a Tucson Neohundra Occionio. The documented on-camera reasoning creates an evidentiary record if any medical claim follows.
Excuse me, sir. You're crushing my wrist.
Okay, well, we'll fix it. Here, come on, get on your butt. Get on your butt, brother. There you go. Why are you doing that?
I'm not doing shit.
Dude, I asked you to go to the front of my car. You got right up in my face.
I stepped out of my vehicle, sir.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I have not had anything to drink.
Because you seem drunk, you reek like alcohol, you got glassy eyes, and you're slurring your words.
14,
You broke your driver's license.
No, it was already broken.
Oh. Charlie 111 fire.
Charlie 111.
I'm 10-4, 1062 to Delta.
X26.
Hey,
Yo.
just lay on my belly.
No. I said no.
Oh, come on.
I said no. Sit up. I don't need you getting any breathing issues with me.
Dude.
111 Delta.
Charlie 111.
You'll find out.
1065, 1 out, Florida by number.
Hey, can I put this shit back in my pocket as I stand up
Go
to
ahead.
you, sir?
No. You,
Oh,
if you
so
could
I'm
sit
not
down.
allowed to stand up.
Just relax. No, not yet. Oh, man.
Dude,
Dude. Why did
I'm
you
not
just...
from here. I'm
Why
from
did you
Palm
just
Beach
kick me?
County.
65, 1 out, Florida by number. Yeah. You just watch them real quick.
Hey, can I stand up and put my card back in my pocket? After
Sierra. Like 48.
I'll stand right here. You want me to stand? Okay. I'm from Palm Beach County. You tell me to stand, you tell me to sit.
Yeah, the worst thing about this is you broke my flashlight.
I didn't do shit. But step out of my vehicle when you fucking told me.
Yeah, I told you to go back to the front of my car and you didn't.
Excuse me, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here.
Just give me a second right now. He's under arrest already. I want to search him. I'm just looking for this part of my flashlight.
You can search my vehicle all the fuck you want.
It says search for my
Bitch
flashlight.
ass.
Hey man, you are under arrest. You know that, right?
Yeah. I'm in fucking handcuffs.
Put that 1 foot underneath your butt. We'll get you up.
Come here.
Oh, he's coming here.
I'm fucking fat.
Well, you're not light, that's for sure.
Come here.
I don't know how much closer you want me to get to you, brother.
You want to talk to my father? For 22 years, he was the mayor of Lantana? Come here. I have my cards in my hand. I am okay. Fucking training day. There's no drugs, no guns, no nothing
No one's saying
illegal in that vehicle.
You want to get that side real quick while we're still... I don't have any gloves on me for you.
Can I have my vape?
No.
Charlie 213 Fiber.
Charlie 213.
Can you charge mail? I'll tell my
Stop
security.
tensing, dude. What are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Hey, lean back just a little bit. Just gonna
Do
get
not
belly.
touch my money.
I already touched your money, buddy.
Yeah? You touch my money?
Lift your hands up.
Hi, back to Charlie 111 on telephone.
Good.
Reference to the subject 1054, 1029P, reference
Alright, let's pull
B27
him
is
back.
showing valid class E echo.
Nope.
Sir, I have
Sit
a
down.
slab of gold
Sit down.
on my waist.
Sit down. We'll get it.
Sir?
Sit down. There you go. Get in the car. Put your feet in.
Excuse me, sir,
Put your
you
feet in.
smashed my head into the side of the car.
226 status check.
That's his leg. Yes, you can, buddy.
Watch your head.
We'll figure that out when we get to the jail. What's that? I said we'll figure it out when we get to the jail.
What am I arrested for?
Resisting without, and then I'm
I'm
gonna
Charlie
ask that
311,
you
Charlie 313,
perform physical
status
sobriety
check.
exercises at the jail.
Oh, resisting arrest without violence. Come here. Yeah, I got like 47 of them.
Starting units on Malecon for road status check.
Subject arrested for resisting without violence under Florida Section 843.02. DUI investigation to be completed at jail. Speed and roadway citations to be processed. Vehicle searched via voluntary consent, nothing found. Case resolution unknown. All suspects are presumed innocent. Officers receive an A-. Dual violation stop basis. Correct Mimms execution. 3 on-camera DUI indicators. Prone position refusal with documented reasoning, and model handling of the political connection claims. Minor deduction. Mild profanity during the physical arrest. The subject receives a D. He was stopped for 2 acknowledged traffic violations. He received a categorical Mimms exit order and failed to comply with the positioning instruction. He physically confronted the officer. He disclosed DUI indicators through visible and olfactory observation the officer correctly documented. His status claims you don't know who you've met. Mayor of Montana for 22 years carried no legal weight and were treated accordingly. His voluntary consent to search eliminated any Fourth Amendment protection. The charge profile reflects his own choices at each step. 3 lessons. 1. Pennsylvania v. Mimms is categorical. A lawfully stopped driver may be ordered out of the vehicle with no additional justification. Failure to comply with the complete exit order, including positioning, supports a resisting charge. 2. Political connections and family status have zero legal effect on a traffic stop, an arrest, or a DUI investigation. The 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause does not bend for mayors, governors, or anyone else. 3. Voluntary consent to search stated aloud and captured on camera is full and valid waiver of Fourth Amendment protection under Florida v. Jimeno. Search my car all you want means exactly that. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.